Want to know the top 5 companion plants for a pest-resistant garden? Well, you're in the right place. Companion planting, a clever gardening strategy, can help you create a resilient, pest-free green space. Today, we're exploring 5 of the best plants for this purpose. So get ready to make your garden not just beautiful but also pest-free. First up on our list is the vibrant marigold. Known for its bright blooms, marigold is more than just a pretty face. It works overtime repelling harmful pests. To maximize benefits, plant it in sunny spots and well-drained soil. Marigold, an attractive and hardworking addition to any garden. Next up, we have the versatile basil. Known for repelling pesky mosquitoes and flies, basil is a must-have in any garden. Planting it is as easy as pie. Just ensure it gets plenty of sunlight. Basil, the functional and aromatic addition your garden needs. Moving on to catnip, the favorite of our feline friends. This charming plant not only deters pests like aphids and squash bugs, but also thrives in most soils and sunlight conditions. A versatile companion, catnip is a must-have for a pest-free and cat-friendly garden. Next, we have the stunning and effective petunia. This vibrant bloom is more than just eye candy. It's a natural insect repellent, discouraging aphids and other pests. To harness its powers, simply intersperse petunias throughout your garden. Petunia, a beautiful and beneficial addition to any garden. Last but not least, borage, the star of companion planting. This flowering herb is an all-star at deterring pests, especially tomato hornworms and cabbage worms. Plant it, let it bloom, and watch it work its magic. Borage, the ultimate companion plant for a pest-resistant garden. So there you have it, the top 5 companion plants for a pest-resistant garden. Marigold, basil, catnip, petunia, and borage each bring unique benefits to your garden, from repelling insects to attracting beneficial ones. By incorporating these plants, you can cultivate a vibrant, resilient garden that thrives naturally. So why not give them a try? You may be pleasantly surprised by the results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!